Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create GIFs step by step. But not only that, these are going to be GIFs that you can actually search for inside of Instagram. So let me let y'all in on a little secret. This is one of the ways that you can add value with your retainer clients. So having GIFs for them is not something you would necessarily put inside of your packages, but one day you just email them and say, let's create some GIFs for you all. I think this is really going to add to your content, to your stories. This is going to be great for us, and people will be able to search for it and use it. Y'all, they're going to be like,
I chose the best social media manager. They're going
to tell all their friends about it, and that's how we get referrals, right? Now that's just the dream scenario. But if you're new here, my name is Erica, and I am your personal social media management coach and your biggest cheerleader. So if you're ready, let's jump right into it, shall we? So first things first, you're gonna create a list of all the GIFs or GIFs that you wanna create. So for example, these are a few that I have created over time, but let's say your client is a fitness coach. Well then you may say, all right, we're gonna do some GIFs of them like this, maybe some of them pointing to a link, so something like this. We don't have swipe up anymore necessarily, so maybe it's something like this, something like this. Make a list of every single GIF that you want to create, all right? So now that we have our list, we can go ahead and create the GIFs. Now to do this, you want to be in front of a blank wall. Do you need this much space? No, you don't. This is just for demonstration purposes, but like we removed the painting over here. You just need enough space of your body, and you're going to use your phone. That's all you need, your phone. So let's bring up the phone. So to create these, you really just need like a waist up. Unless you want to do more of the body, you can. But generally, you'll see GIFs that are really just the waist up, right? So as you can see, I fall within the frame. You want to be able to get it. You don't want to fall out of here. So you want to give yourself enough space where you are directly, or your client is directly in here. So make sure if you're telling them, you give them that direction. Make sure whatever movements they're making, it doesn't fall outside of the width of that camera, okay? So let's say the first movement I want to do is going to be the arm thing, like the muscle. So what you want to do is press record on your camera. So when you're creating these GIFs, there's two ways you can do it. You can record one long clip, which is what you may want to have your clients do. It's just a little bit easier, and then they send it to you, and then you can cut up the clips individually. But in this case, I'm going to create little short clips of every single GIF that I'm going to create, right? So let's just do an example. The first one that I'm going to do is going to be the arm. Remember, I can't go all the way out, so I need to make sure that I'm in the frame, right? So I'm going to pat my muscle, the muscle right here, and that's my GIF. Maybe you want your client to be more animated, so maybe it's like something like that. Or if you want people to like click a link, then I can go like this. All you want to do, or have your client do, is do the action kind of like boomerang style. R, and that's it, okay? That's all you have to do is act out all the list of things that you have. You're done. So now that we have all of our video clips, it's time to head to the computer.
I put a little too much dip on my chip, okay? Let's back up. We have to edit the clip before we go to the computer. So go to your clip that you just recorded, and you're gonna hit edit if you're on an iPhone. And then you're going to adjust the timing to just get the clip that you actually want. So you see me scrubbing it, looking for that fake muscle that I have, or the point. So we're gonna go with the point in this case. And I'm just gonna go ahead and move this around. And you're gonna do the same process for every little clip that you're gonna be creating for yourself or for your client. Once I have it, I'm going to save video as a new clip because I do want to keep my original video so that I can get that other muscle one out there. Now that we have our video clip edited right where we want it, we're going to go to this website called unscreen.com, and these links will be down in the description. They're not like any type of affiliates or anything like that. I'm just, giving you the goods, okay? So what I'm going to do is go ahead and drag and drop my first clip right in here. All right. Now, you may see this bar come up if you recorded your clip on an iPhone like I did. But don't worry about it because I'm going to tell you what to do. And we're going to just get rid of this X because we don't need this type of negativity telling us that it's not going to work. So we're going to go to this website called zamzar.com. And we're going to do what we just did, which is upload our little clip by dragging and dropping. Or you can upload it however you want to. Next, we want to go ahead and tell them what we want to convert this to. And we're going to convert this file to an MP4. And then hit the green convert now. And you'll see it down here doing its thing. It may take maybe a few seconds to fully do. All right, let's hit download. Now that your clip is downloaded to your computer, you're gonna go back over to unscreen and we are going to throw that bad boy in there. Now, as this loads, what you're gonna see is the background is now removed from your video clip, and that's what we want, right? That's the start of this beautiful thing we're about to create. So there's my clip, and now I'm ready to go ahead and download this. And I'm gonna call this like a point down. Now, if you're like, Erica, this is all good, I don't need to upload it anywhere else, I just want to put this on my Instagram stories quickly and easily, I got you. Let me show you how. Now, for this to work, you already have to have something recorded or an image up in your Instagram stories. Once you do, you're going to go to your GIF inside of your camera roll, hit that up arrow, and you are going to copy the photo. Once you copy it, you're going to go back over to Instagram, and you're going to see in the lower left corner, add sticker. Yep. And there's your GIF right there. You can resize it, move it all around, but it's super, super easy. Now, if you want to be a little bit fancy and you want for other people to be able to search and use your GIF inside of Instagram, let me show you how to do that. So on Giphy.com, I have this account, and these are all the GIFs that I have created in the past. And these are the ones that are actually searchable on Instagram. So if you were to type in Social Ink Co, all of these will start showing up for you as GIFs that you can use in your content. So since I've had these since July of 2020, you can see how many views these have gotten. And sometimes my friends will send me something. They'll be like, hey, I know somebody who used your GIF. It's pretty cool. So this is really great for your clients, for brand awareness, or just to get your name out there and have some fun things that you can show people. So these are some of the other ones that I've created that have gotten a little bit less views, okay? And people are finding this by how I title it. But let's back up. Let me show you how to do this. So what you want to do is apply for a brand channel with Giphy. They do have certain requirements, so you may want to look over these and make sure that you meet those requirements that they have. And also know, to get approved, it could take a week, maybe even longer. But when I did it, I think it took me about 3 or 4 days to actually get approved. So as you can see, they want to know quite a few things. So you'll just have to create an account and fill out that application. So I'm going to go to this top here and click upload. And let's go ahead and import our brand new one. All right, so there it is. The first thing you have to do is think about what are people going to be searching for with this in particular. You always want to use your brand name. So I may use the agency edit. I may use Social Ink Co. But what else am I doing in this picture? So I can say pointing, because these are going to be the things that people are actually searching for, okay? And they're going to give you suggestions. But at the end of the day, you just want to add in as many tags as it will allow you to use that are relevant. And this is how people will find this GIF on social media. So like on some of mine, you see where I have like, walking away, walk away, never mind, and then my brand name too. Now for these to show up, these didn't take as long to show up on Instagram. Honestly, it took me, I don't know, like I really don't remember, but I don't remember, it wasn't a long time. That's all I know. It was not a long time for these to show up. But again, this is something that will definitely set you apart and have your clients like, wow, like, how'd you do that? And you just tell them it was magic. Don't even worry about it, baby. It was magic. I hope that this video inspired you to do a little something extra for your clients. Show them what you're working with. Show them that they hire the best social media manager out there and you're not playing with them, okay? You're getting them results and you're giving them fun GIFs. But if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, of course, let me know. And if you made it this far into the video, down in the comments, I want you to say, I'm creating some GIFs. And until next time,